guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we will be making green juice, green popsicle and smoothie. But before we begin that, we'll be highlighting some health facts about green juice, green smoothie and popsicle. Stay tuned. These are all the equipment we will need for today's video: blender, knife, strainer, popsicle mold, measuring spoon and measuring cup. First, we'll be making our green juice, and below are the ingredients that you will need, along with 2 cups of water. Once all ingredients are ready, we start our blending process. Then it's time for us to strain and serve. And there we have it, guys, our green juice. Next is our green smoothie. Blend until smooth. Our end product. Next is our green popsicle. At this step, we're going to blend until smooth. Once blending is complete, we pour mixture into mold, cover and freeze for at least 4 hours. And there you have it, our green popsicles. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post.